Well, the two sides have agreed that the current developments in Libya are a matter of concern, particularly the situation around Tripoli. And they've said that it's not just Libya that is likely to suffer as a result of this current situation, but it's going to have ramifications beyond in the region. And also the illegal migration, of course, is going to affect even Europe. Now, the two sides have said that they both agree on protecting and ensuring the territorial integrity and national unity of Libya. And of course, the most significant development that has come out of this is the announcement of a ceasefire starting midnight on Sunday. Now, as far as the GNA is concerned, the UN-recognized government here, the officials I've been talking to, they're saying that any sort of ceasefire would be a welcome move. But they are concerned about the implementation part of it, because they're saying that in the past, Khalifa Haftar has violated agreements. And another concern here at the moment is that we still have around 3 days to go before the ceasefire kicks in. And before that, it's quite likely that Khalifa Haftar is going to try and make that final push. He's going to try and continue his advance perhaps more rapidly to put himself in a better bargaining position. So that remains a matter of concern here in Tripoli.